In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Meta Business Suite schedule post not working. If your scheduled post isn't appearing or the schedule button seems unresponsive, don't worry. We'll walk through a clear sequence to get things working again, starting with the quickest checks and moving to deeper fixes. First, give the page a simple refresh. On the web, press F5 or click the refresh icon in your browser. This reloads Meta Business Suite and often resolves temporary glitches where the interface doesn't update properly. If you're using the app, close it completely and reopen it to trigger a fresh load. Next, clear your cache. In a browser, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Cache. You don't need to clear your history or save passwords, just the cached files. On the app, use the app's settings to clear cache if available, or reinstall only if you've already tried everything else. Clearing cache removes outdated files that can conflict with new data and block scheduling actions behind the scenes. Now, verify whether your post actually scheduled. Go to the Content or Planner section, then open the Scheduled tab. Look for your post to confirm it's saved. Sometimes a post is successfully scheduled but doesn't immediately appear in the main view due to a display delay. If you don't see it, give it a moment after refreshing and check any filters you may have applied. If it's still not there, check your permissions. Go to Settings, then Page Access, and make sure your role has admin or full control. Without sufficient access, some actions, like scheduling posts or managing messages, may not be allowed, and the platform won't always show a clear error. If you don't have the right access, ask the page owner to update your role. Review your content next. Remove any unsupported media, such as very large files, the wrong file format, or restricted content. Oversized videos, corrupted images, or assets in formats that Meta doesn't accept can silently block scheduling. Try resizing a large file, converting it to a standard format like MP4 for video or JPG PNG for images, and removing any content that might violate platform guidelines. Finally, log out and log back in. This refreshes your session and updates your permissions and tokens with Meta's servers. A stale session can cause buttons to appear inactive or actions to fail without warning. Work through these steps in order, and in most cases, your scheduled posts will start behaving again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back on track with your content calendar.